Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee. Starting a new series of nail art basics, I'm bringing you first in the series this week, and it's how to paint stripes. Every few weeks I'll be bringing you one of these videos to help all of you absolute beginners really fight your fears and start playing with some art. After applying your base and colour coat, it's time to pick your colour and a striping brush, and details of all the products I'm using in this video are in the description down below. For full details of the entire look, stay tuned to the very end where I tell you how to achieve the looks on the other nails. Start by applying the polish to your striping brush and stroking your brush through the polish a few times to load it up fully. Then take the brush to the centre of the nail, place it down and put most of the length of that brush against the nail. This offers stability. And then we're going to slowly pull that brush down the nail. Now this video at the moment is at half speed, but this is it in real time. And what I'm just doing is I'm using that shaft of the brush to give me some strength and to stop my fingers shaking or to stop the line going all squiggly. If there's any bits that are slightly thinner, you can apply a bit more polish and then touch it up. Just to show you the method I use to stay steady, it focuses actually on the little finger, and once I've loaded up my brush, I rest on that little finger and sort of pivot on that little finger or on my wrist, and it stops you shaking or moving. You need to use something for a balance point precision. Another option is to apply the brush to the nail and then pull the nail away from the brush, and it's sort of pulling that nail along the brush. And some of you might find that method a little bit easier. And again, that's me pulling the nail away from the brush. And then it's time to apply your top coat, which gives me a chance to say to you guys, if any of you want to become a channel VIP, head on over to natashalee.vip, where you'll be able to sign up to get behind the scenes access, you can get rewards, and you can get access to ask me questions and join in with polls. In the meantime, once you've applied your top coat, allow it to dry. Once your top coat is dry, go in with your favourite cuticle oil, and again these are all listed in the description, and then massage in. And that is how to achieve beautiful stripes. If you want to know how to achieve the rest of the looks, including the dust and the glitter on these nails, then stay tuned because I include all of that for you next. But in the meantime, here are your beautiful metallic stripes. If you don't have your own nail art striping brushes, I do have a link in the video description where I show you how to make one from household items. And now it's time to show you how to achieve the rest of the look. Start by applying your preferred base coat, and for this look I am using the Magpie gel colours, including Pretty Polly. Apply a layer of Pretty Polly nice and evenly to the nails and try and get as close to those cuticle areas and the eponychium as possible. Don't forget to cap the ends of the nail and then cure in your lamp. Then I'm going in with a No Cleanse top coat and applying this to the nail before we're going to cure, but just to say this one is self-leveling. It does look like it's bumpy and gritty when you first apply it, but once you've applied it, if you leave it, and I've sped this up 4 times for you to see, it self-levels and goes crystal clear and smooth. Then you're going to cure it before taking a silicone tool and some Shelly dust. This is like the unicorn powders. We're going to buff that straight into the top of that nail using the silicone tool. And this is the effect that we use to apply any of our sort of unicorn or fairy dusts. And if you want to make sure it's really smooth and glassy, then the more that you buff, the smoother the effect gets. When you're happy with the final look, apply some top coat to the nail. And this one has glitter in it because I always keep a separate top coat which I use for my glitters and my dusts. That way it doesn't affect when I want to use it on my regular colours. Now for that glitter finger, once you've applied your gel polish and cured it, it has a sticky inhibition layer. We are just going to pat our glitter into that sticky inhibition layer, and once you're happy with it, you're going to lightly brush over it to smooth it down. Now all gel polishes normally have this sticky inhibition layer once you've cured your colour coat, but some are more sticky than others. Using a fan brush, I'm going to lightly brush over the nail to remove any of the excess glitter, before I'm then going to go in with my top coat again and apply it over the glitter and then cure. Depending on the top coat that you use, you may need to apply 2 coats over the glitter to make sure you get a lovely glassy shine. rather than a textured finish. Then simply cure in your nail lamp and your look is finished, and you can achieve this look entirely using regular polishes. I do have videos that show you how to apply glitter and dust using normal nail polish too. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, which is first in the series of my nail art basics, and I will be bringing the other videos to you in regular intervals over the next few months. Let me know if there's any particular nail art skills that you would love to learn, and I'll try and do a video for you. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to click that like button and to subscribe.